Hello everyone. So far, every scroll animation we built so far moved one thing, a car, a bar, a percentage, but this one moves four things simultaneously at four different speeds as you can see on the screen. And that speed difference is everything. Here, the sky barely moves, the mountains drift slowly, the trees rush past, the foreground flies. Your brain reads the difference as depth, as distance, or as a real three-dimensional world behind the screen. That is called a parallax. And this is not a plugin or any library trick. It is one scroll event, four layers and four numbers. That's the entire system here. Today, we built a full parallax landscape from scratch without using any libraries or frameworks. So yeah, welcome to Scratch Start, and today we are going to build a parallax system. And let's start the coding now. And I have wrote the HTML structure and CSS styles as always. Let's go straight to the JavaScript. And before starting the JavaScript, I have to show you the browser output. This is the initial state without adding any JavaScript. So this is what I built with only with the HTML and CSS. So to animate and to move all the mountains and these trees, these triangles, small triangles are the trees, and the big triangle behind the small triangles are the mountains, and behind that is just a sky. So we will write the code to move all these. So let's go straight to the code. Initially we have to create variables using identifiers. So we have here the sky, mountains, trees and foregrounds. So there are four elements, so four variables. So sky and selected by document query selector. The class is sky. The next variable is mountains, selected by using same query selector, and the class is mountains. Then third, there are trees, selected by the same query selector. The class is trees. Next, the foreground, selected by the same query selector. Class is foreground. That's all. Now we will go straight to the logic now. So we from the browser we are scrolling, so we have to select the whole window here and give it an add event listener, and the event is scroll. And when we scroll, we have to write the function. What we have to write is a logic or the style transformation that will happen when we scroll. So we are scrolling in a vertical direction. Scrolling means that is what standard scroll we use here. So I am creating a new variable called scroll, and this calculates the scrolling in y direction from the window. We have seen this scroll y in the previous video too. This calculates the exact pixels in the vertical direction when we scroll. So now we will write logic or the transformation style transformation for each variable. So now we have sky style, writing for the transform. This is sky. Next element is mountains. Next we have the trees, and next is foreground. foreground. Everything is, we are changing its style for all the things. So I'll just paste here everything. So for the trees, everything we do here is in the y direction. So it is moving. So translate y and give it a value, scroll value. Use the scroll value and multiply it with 0.1. You can give whatever values you want here, because it's up to you to decide in what speed each element is moving. So next, for the mountains, same, translate in y direction and use the scroll value. Use the scroll value and multiply it by 0.3. Next, we have the trees. Again, translate in y direction. In y direction, use the scroll values here too. Scroll value and multiply it with 0.5. Here I forgot to add the pixels. Next we have the foreground. Finally, it is also translate in y direction too. Translate in y direction. Use the scroll value and multiply it with 0.8 pixels. So that's all. Now we have wrote logic for all the 4 movements. So that's all. Let's go to the browser and I reload. So when I scroll, things, see, it is moving. Each moving in different velocities. That's all. Not velocity, I'm just saying different speeds, as you can see. See, this is called a parallax. This is mostly used in modern websites. You can see, notice this in mostly in modern websites. This is just a sample. Parallax can be built in many different styles too. I'm just building it here with different frame speeds. That's all. In HTML, CSS series 2, I built the same parallax style, but that is very different. That is very simple and very different, and it has a lot of limitations, because I built that only using HTML and CSS. I didn't use the JavaScript to control the like separate speeds of the each frames. So it is different from that HTML version. So that is it for today, and I hope you like the video and subscribe and share the video too, and please leave comments too, so I can understand how you understand, or you have any doubts or anything. Yeah, I will meet you guys in the next session. Thank you. Have a nice day.